Good day, Trojan parents and students and guests. My name is Rolando Bailey, proud principal of Evans High School, a place of high achievement, where our founding principles of success are based on three things. That's pride, determination, and perseverance. We expect for our students and staff to exemplify pride in themselves, pride in their school, pride in their community, be determined to reach their fullest academic potential, and persevere against any obstacles that come their way. Parents, I greet you to our virtual open house experience tonight. I ask that you visit each of your students' teachers' Canvas course to learn about information that will make this year a success for them academically. I leave all our Trojans with this, and these three things will help you to success in high school. That is get involved, that is challenge yourself, and then focus on academics. As always we say at Evans High School, go Trojans.